Struggling with hand function after a stroke? You're not alone. Hand recovery can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. We're here to make rehabilitation simpler and more effective. Our approach focuses on targeted exercises designed to rebuild strength, flexibility, and fine motor control. We break down complex movements into manageable steps, celebrating every bit of progress. Imagine regaining the ability to grasp, hold, and perform everyday tasks with greater ease. Our program emphasizes consistency and patience, guiding you through your recovery journey. We believe in empowering you with the tools and knowledge to take control of your hand rehabilitation. From simple stretches to more advanced activities, we've got you covered. Start seeing real improvements and reclaim your independence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and exercises.